What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're gonna see how to clear WhatsApp cache on iPhone. So to do that, let's head over to as you can see, my one is Android, so I'm gonna show you the detailed step. So first one is offloading the app. Go to the settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Find WhatsApp in the list of apps and tap offload app, then tap reinstall app. This will remove the app and its cache while keeping your chats and data. Second one is clearing cache within WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and go to settings and go to storage and data and then go to manage storage. Review and delete the large files and forwarded media. You can also clear individual or group chats including media by selecting the chat, tapping the chat name and choosing the clear chat. So yeah, this is how easily you can just clear your cache files on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.